Copy that. 2312 to dispatch. We've got it going southbound at about milepost 221. 2312. He's going to go ahead and take off from us. We're in this. Got a pursuit going southbound.
9010, let Eugene Springfield know so I can cover it if it goes into the city.
Do it. 312 is going to redirect it on the freeway. Turn around, pin him. Turn around and pin him. He's 20.
He's fired! 2312, shots fired at me. I'm good, I think. We're back in this southbound.
Sorry, he's bouncing on the shoulder. Left hand side for all the traffic.
Watch your crossfire.
He's outside.
Get behind hard cover!
Right as I got out.
Put your hands up!
I'm pretty sure.
I heard it.
Yeah, so did I.
You see the gun in there?
No, he was on his phone. I could see him on his phone. And he put his phone down, and then I heard that shot. It was like pretty close. Okay, shield. All right. Shield. Why don't you run a shield team with a rifle?
Hey.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Hands up!
Got traffic on the other side.
Yep.
Hands up!
Need to get somebody to stop traffic northbound.
Put your hands up! Get your hands up!
Okay. All right.